I didn't expect to find this. So today I've decided I'm going to clean the engine bay of the S4. It's been a while since I've done that, and it's a little bit dirty. So I've got this chemical. It's water-based engine cleaner. I'm gonna spray it in the engine bay and then rinse with water. Before I do that, then I'll just go in with a brush and clean everything. It doesn't have a spray nozzle thing, so I'm gonna use this instead so that I can spray throughout the engine bay. So let's unlock the car, open the bonnet, and see what's in there. Looks like there's a rat living in the engine bay here, which is very scary. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of pellets in here, but yeah, I'm gonna have to find something to spray in the engine bay so that I don't have this going forward. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, so let me use a vacuum cleaner, get rid of all the leaves and everything else in here so that I can start washing. All right, let's go in. So part of this dirtiness got underneath this black plastic here, so I think I'm gonna have to remove it so that I can clean properly in there. Probably when the car is warm, it comes up here and then just sleeps on the engine bay, and it's a nice spot for it here. Oh, look at that. Alright, so that part is done of cleaning the engine bay. Now I need to start washing. I think I'm going to put this thing back there because that's the seal between the supercharger and the intake manifold. So I don't want anything to go in there. But I know there are seals between the manifold and the supercharger. So, but I need to clean there. So let me clean that. I'll put this thing back afterwards. Here's my stuff. Oh. I should have opened the cap actually, because this is, yeah, it's not making sense. All right, I think that's enough. Let's close that. Okay, we're ready to spray. Let's see if that works. Oh, before I do that, actually, I need to cover this. I have a plastic bag to cover my intake air filter. For now, let's focus on the engine bay. Right, let's go in here and pour some stuff. Oh, looks like I need a mask for this. There it is, just to make sure that this part is clean and this thing can sit here and eat all the dirt. And after, I'm going to come with the brush and agitate where there's a lot of dirt, like here. I have my brush. Yeah. This is what I don't like right here. I'll just go in here to remove all the stuff. I also have some soapy water just to add. hopefully going to look better after this. I know this thing currently, when you just spray it and then you rinse it off, it works too, but I just want to add a little bit more elbow grease. I didn't know that I had the issue with the red, so that's why now I'm a little bit concerned and going in a little bit more. But ideally, I just want to make sure that the engine is clean. There's no nasty stuff. So I'm going to start rinsing now, and then I'm going to start the car so that it runs while I'm rinsing. Let's go in with some water. Okay, let's start the car so that it can start running. Well, working. Yeah, I think that looks much better, much better. Yeah, I was able to clean a little bit there, so it's nice and clean. The only thing I always forget to do is to open the air filter when I start the car if I'm working here. I need to remember that. Alright, let's start wiping it down and take it for a spin to get rid of all the water that's trapped in the system. This stuff is quite good. I mean, it cleans very well. The car looks much better now in here. Nice and clean. Obviously, for it to dry, I need to take it for a drive so that I can get rid of all the water that's in the areas that I can't get to. But overall, I think I'm happy. Oh, I damaged my air filter. Yeah, you see, I damaged my air filter because that plastic was closed, so it bent it. And I need to wash it as well. But overall, I think this is clean. Turned out very well. Yeah, I haven't done this in a while. But it turned out really nice. Clean. I mean, everything is looking really nice in there, quite clean all over. It looks really nice, like that. Down there too. Yeah, no, I think overall I'm happy with how it turned out. I just need to put this cover back on once the water is dried up, so that at least I know this is secure. Right, let's quickly wash the car while we're here, just to rinse it off quickly. I normally wash my car on weekends, depending if I have to go somewhere. But if I don't have to go anywhere, I normally don't wash it. Yeah, but now and then I do wash it because it does get dirty, especially now that it's winter. You have a lot of leaves and dust and everything. I just need to get a chemical or a spray to get rid of this rat that lives in the engine bay, because I'm afraid what it might do, it might eat all my cables and stuff. Then we have check engine light, we have all these sorts of faults, and I don't want that. Summer's coming, gonna have to replace these wipers. Hey, never catch a break with cars. If it's not this, is the other. If it's not the other, is that. But anyway, we love them. We just need to get a few more things. But let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see. What other mods top of mind that we can get for the S4, so that we can get it to that state of being a one-of-one. Because that is the goal, to make it a one-of-one. So suggest down below in the comments what you'd like to see as the next mod on the S4. Then we'll see what we can do. Maybe we'll get sponsorships, get maybe the body kit, the front lip, maybe it's one thing that we might need to get, the rear diffuser, side blades or side skirts or whatever you want to call them. Those are also nice. Like to have those, and let's see how the car turns out. Yeah, anything, let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see as another mod. And I think for now we are doing pretty well. We're getting somewhere, and I like that. This thing is good, but it looks like the battery doesn't last long anymore. Not sure what happened. Anyway, it's not even a year old. Right, let's wipe it down. I need to get a bigger drying towel. Please, if you know where I can get a good quality one, please let me know down in the comments, because this is very small and it takes forever to wipe the car. But I like the fact that it's a microfiber towel. It doesn't leave any streaks of water, which is why I love it. Yeah, I bought this from Macro in a pack. They do the job like really well. But I need a bigger version of this. I've tried something, but it didn't work. Another brand. So far this one seems to be doing the job, but it's quite small, so I take forever wiping the car. But when I'm done, I know it's done properly. So besides mods on this car, what other content would you like to see on the channel going forward? Because we are doing quite well with the S4, but obviously at some point we're going to finish everything that we want to do on the car. Then what? So you can let me know suggestions down in the comments, what you'd like to see. Then we can start working on that content. There's a lot of leaves falling now. I guess in America that's why they call it the fall. Because the leaves are falling. So we call it autumn. We're getting into winter.
One eternity later.
Okay, that's it. I'm done with cleaning the S4, washing the engine bay, and washing the car partially, not fully. I've done a partial wash. Just get rid of all the dust and the chemical that's spread over the windscreen and all over the place. there you have it. The engine bay is washed, clean, sparkling and shiny. The body, the car is also nice and clean. I didn't mean for this video to be this long, but I thought I might as well just wash the car because I washed the engine bay so that it looks nice and clean. There's a lot of dust, a lot of leaves. I'm glad I did that. Yeah, that's it from this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Click on that bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video, and I'll catch you next time.